Welcome back, guys. It's Greg with Bananas Overland, and tonight we're going to install the Sherpa Equipment Company rear drawer system into the GX470. So most of you know that I run the Sherpa roof rack on my GX470, and when they told me they're coming out with a rear drawer system, I was very excited. This particular one is a full aluminum extrusion frame with the HDPE lining. That's like a cutting board material, so it's real durable. This one's textured and it cleans very well. It has your locking latches. It's a Baltic birch, and it has 500-pound slides. The base plates are vehicle specific, so this one's from a GX. It's cut out to use the third row area and uses the factory cargo tie downs to secure it. It's a wood material with a rugged lining. Let's get on with the install. Now it's designed to work with the factory soundproofing pad, a carpet, and use your factory tie downs. Now I don't have any of the carpet back here, so let me go ahead and clean all this up, get it prepped, and I'm gonna show you what I did to make this particular setup work with my application. Steps probably not needed, but I like to start fresh. So we're gonna get a little bit of a clean here. Like I said before, I don't have any of the third row components. I took them out, and the frame is threaded. It actually goes through the body, so you can actually have water come up through the undercarriage. And I originally had some painter's tape, but now I'm swapping to duct tape.
Yep.
Since the Sherpa guys intended to use the factory padding and carpet, I'm going to use this as a little spacer to push up the base plate. This is an old piece of wood left over from my DIY setup, so it should work perfect. That was an ugly throw. The spacer actually works in my benefit because I have a E-locker wire running through the back, so this gives me a little bit of clearance for that, and I have some wires to wire my fridge up, so it actually works out great. So it uses the factory tie downs to secure it in place. They're recessed in. And if you wanted to still run a third row seat, they make it where you can. And if you don't, you put these nice base plates. So there's no drilling involved. In fact, they pre-drilled where your box goes and threaded them. So it's literally a plug and play setup. She stopped. So the way it works is they leave the back panel off so you can access the mounting points underneath. And like I said, it's already pre-drilled and tapped, so you just use a few bolts and find out which mounting point you want, because you can actually move it forward and back. So let's do that now. So the last step is to put this back plate on. I'm not going to do it right now because I have to do some wiring for my fridge. But, as you notice, this is channeled to access the extrusion on the side. This is actually their stackable model. Right now they make two versions, a slightly longer one, a side-by-side, or a stacked version, which is like it sounds. You put a second one on top and they connect together with the extrusions. This channel. I went with this because I wanted a slightly smaller one and I want to be able to stack different things on top, and I went with one because I have a fridge going right there. To top it off, one thing really trick is comes foam lined to keep the noise down on the trails, which I'm pretty stoked about. Thanks for watching. We're going to drop the link in the description to Sherpa Equipment Company. Their goal is to make a base plate for all the vehicles they make their racks for. Currently it's the 4Runner and the GX, but they have a bunch in the works. So thanks for watching and go bananas.